Let's begin.
Hi friends, I am 𝗕𝗵𝗟𝗶 from 𝗪𝗲𝗔 Technology. Today I am going to demonstrate project name midday meal tracking system. In this project what we are doing is we are protecting meal of children which is given by government. Okay, this is just a prototype how we can make the things. Okay, so in this project we have two things, mainly start journey and stop journey, and in between if the food is stolen, so we will know it through our phone. Like it can be food or it can be books, clothes, anything like from donation or which is required to transfer from one place to another place. Okay, so this project start with the start journey. First of all we have to show the RFID card to the RFID reader, and on LCD screen of your phone we will receive a message that journey has been started, and it is just showing 400. So 400 means we have just written 400 kg of weight we have given to the truck. Okay, so in truck there is 400 kg weight and the journey has been started. Now we are showing the weight has been reduced, it has been stolen, and at what place it has been stolen it will be written in the SMS form. Okay, so it is now remaining 160 and the remaining amount of food is remaining. Okay, now after that we have to show the stop part, and then we have to again show it to the stop RFID, and now on the phone we will see the journey has been ended. Okay, so this way the project is like start, if something is stolen it will show the message, and in the end of journey it will show, and we can add anything in the message box. Okay, so now let's just check the another feature. In this project we have also added emergency alert system. Like if you want to inform some location from our side, we can press button for the 10 seconds and we can get the location on the phone. Okay, so now let's just see how the message is coming in the phone. You can see if we have received the message. Okay, and this way this project works. And thank you so much for watching the video. For project description like circuit diagram, code, how we can help you in making the project, how you can buy this kit, you can contact us. And okay, and you can see description box below. And thank you so much for watching this video, friends.